Noise surrounds us day in, day out. It's often not pleasant. It can have a detrimental effect on our hearing and our physical well-being. It can lead to mental stress and risk, damaging our health. Anna's father has worked here for 30 years. His hearing suffered greatly until they introduced ear protectors. This is a familiar occurrence. Acoustics is the science of sound, and acousticians are technicians and engineers who use their expertise to work in a huge variety of fields to improve how we communicate and help reduce the impact of harmful noise. The array of career possibilities are almost limitless.